That is pretty cool.
That's super neat.
With it being cold, though, I don't think about swimming.
Well, I bet you it gets warmer as you go down deeper into it. Checking in this morning, actually, the possibility we could see a few snow flurries here to begin the day and, of course, begin the work week as well. A lot of cloud cover around, and dig out that winter coat this morning as you head out the door. It is pretty chilly to begin the day. A live view in Mount Vernon looking back towards the south. One of those spots that we could see a few of those snow flurries here over the next hour or so. And sunrise coming up this morning just shy of 7 a.m. Today is the coldest day of the week. We're going to have some stubborn low clouds. Chance for a few snow flurries. It is going to be a winter-like day. You may need to be bundled up throughout much of the day today. Finally, by the middle of the week, we're talking really Wednesday and Thursday. Some sunshine set to return, and it's likely going to bring some of the much warmer weather our way. There's a chance some of us actually could top out near 60 by Thursday. And our next weather maker, our next big storm system, it arrives by the end of the week. Now, I've seen some talk on social media about the potential for snow. This is not going to be a snowmaker for us. We are talking about all rain with this next big storm system. Now this morning, again, it is cold outside. We've got some lower clouds around, and where they're the thickest out across parts of southeast Missouri. Temperatures have not fallen very much through the overnight hours. Temperatures there are just a little bit warmer. Into southern Illinois down to 31 in McLeansboro, 32 in Ridgeway, 32 as well into Harrisburg, 31 in Golconda. To the south into western Kentucky, temperatures hovering right around that freezing mark. Wycliffe at 33, Paducah currently at 32, Benton, Kentucky at 31, and then in southeast Missouri, a few degrees warmer. Still pretty chilly out there, especially when you factor in all the low clouds. Not going to see much in the way of sunshine as we go throughout the day today. And here's those little snow flurries, a possibility. Some of this probably evaporating before it makes its way to the ground, but keep your eyes peeled. You may see a couple of these early this morning. A couple light returns there showing up on the eastern side of Franklin County over, say, near Aiken and Thompsonville there to the west, and then back into parts of Hamilton County to the south, closer to Broughton, and eventually making its way towards Raleigh and El Dorado here over the next 20 to 30 minutes. So again, just keep your eyes peeled. Not expecting any accumulation this afternoon, though the low clouds likely just mean temperatures going to be running cooler than average for this time of year. Only going to see low 40s today for afternoon high temperatures, and low clouds stick with us through much of the overnight hours, even waking up this time tomorrow morning. Just can't shake the clouds. High temperatures on Tuesday only into the mid to upper 40s. Chance we could see a few spots creep closer to 50 degrees, especially if we see some clearing skies out across parts of southeast Missouri on Tuesday afternoon. But today, 40 degrees at lunchtime, afternoon highs running in the low 40s. That is cooler than average for this time of year. At least we're not going to have a whole lot of wind out there this afternoon. And then by tonight, dropping back in the mid 30s by 9 p.m. All is quiet, though, through this evening. Here's our next big storm system. This is in here on Friday. Again, there's been some talk about the potential for snow. And last week, at one point, it looked like it could be a snowmaker for us. Not going to be the case. This is a big storm system tracking through the upper Midwest. Notice the area of low pressure well to our north, and all of the green moving in. That is rain. Possibly a couple rumbles of thunder. Not anticipating severe weather at this point, but we could see some fairly strong winds, possibly some gust in here, upwards of 30 to 40 miles per hour on Friday. So again, we're on the warm side. Rain, no snow in our forecast this week. Strong winds also a possibility. And as far as rainfall amounts, some spots could approach about an inch or so. A lot of that is going to fall Friday night and then first thing on Saturday morning, and then the cold front will sweep through. Out ahead of this system, though, enjoy the warmth. Wednesday afternoon high temperature into the upper 50s. Thursday, a high temperature about 60 with mostly sunny skies. Here comes that storm system in here on Friday. About an 80% chance of rain out ahead of the storm. Temperature into the upper 50s. Behind it, falling temperatures then for the weekend. By Sunday, afternoon highs going back into the lower 40s.